But in the Myanmar, India government is authority. This is not. We will understand your concern.
Place at the right.
Same thing. Go. And if it is taken to be taken here, it is supposed to be here. So if it is taken to be here, also the difference is there. So above means maybe this side upstream. Let us take it upstream. So this is above is never downstream. Okay, let us resume it here.
रिकॉर्ड्स है जो हमारे रिकॉर्ड है उनके हिसाब से तो वही है। पर जो आप बोल रहे हो अब वो ढूंढना पड़ेगा ना मुझे।
कम से कम थोड़ा इंश्योरेंस तो देना पड़ेगा ना।
नहीं क्या इंश्योरेंस देना पड़ेगा?
नहीं 1 मंथ तो हम लोग 1 मंथ इतना दूरी है।
जो मेरे रिकॉर्ड है
हम लोग 1 मंथ इंतजार कर नहीं पाएगा।
जो हमारे पास रिकॉर्ड है जो मैप है First we have to understand.
You are coming here, then you are not negotiating with him.
No. See, based on the records available with us, all the maps available with us, that was the boundary. Now you have given us a different viewpoint that this was earlier here, people were living here, then they shifted from here due to some reason. So we will go and verify because in Survey of India records, all these things are available in some maps. So we will take out some old maps where what you are saying should be available, and in the description also something should be available. So we will take out more records because whatever records we have is that is the only one available. अब हमें देखने से मैप नहीं बनता है, देखने से बाउंड्री नहीं बनती है। इसको समझ के हमें म्यांमार के साथ भी बात करके टीम भेजनी पड़ेगी ताकि पता लगे कि आप जो कह रहे हो इधर है या किधर है। ऐसे देखने से मैप नहीं बनता है।
Mamang question birakano, mamang mati.
Not in 67. Quanto il